Good morning, YouTube. Yeah, I'm embarrassed because I've got some guests here, and this is Jeff.
The remote, so we're good. And you have to.
Wait,
Don't close it on me. I'll bring the out.
Oh my God.
And this is Jeff's 355. So we are going to do an oil change on this sucker. No, we're not pulling the engine out. It just needs oil. You know, between those majors, you do regular oil service, yeah. And it's still not going to explode. Oh my God. And it's not going to catch on fire. He's already taken care of all those problems. It's never going to catch on fire, right?
Absolutely.
It's not going to be too hard, but... Wow, I just jinxed us. I'm sorry. I gotta stop doing that. Well, anyway, let's change the oil on this 355. And by the way, we get to hear it later. Yes.
Can't stop, won't stop. I can't stop, won't stop. I can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
The nice thing about the 355 is, unlike the 458, you can actually get the jack points without removing the center panel. So the jack points are along this rail on the side frame, not incorporated into the stupid panel like it is on that dumbass car design out there. Although it's beautiful, but come on. Ferrari, what were you thinking?
It would even make sense if they just,
cut it.
Notched it out
Yeah,
around it. Yeah,
that's all I have to do.
Yeah.
But no. All right, we got the quick jacks. We're going to throw these under and get them lined up right and get the sucker in the air. Got the quick jacks in place. I'm going to bump it up just to make sure they're set right. Alright, looks like it's coming up pretty even. Sweet. Your baby's flying. We've got two drain plugs, one right there, and the other one's actually underneath this panel. So we're gonna have to remove that panel, and then the oil filter on the 355 is actually up on the top of the motor in the valley. So we'll do these two plugs first, get that taken care of, and then do the filter. So these are all 8 mils. So what Jeff was saying is we remove these two bolts right here, or nuts I should say. Get those removed, and then the front panel has like 10 more maybe?
Actually, yeah, it's 16 total.
16 total, okay.
Yeah.
And then that comes off and gives us access to the sump plug.
Yeah.
Tell me about the tip. Just the tip?
Yeah, I thought you had just given me the tip.
So those are Phillips.
Yeah.
So again, Ferrari in its infinite wisdom loves to make sure that you do not have one type of fastener.
Oh yeah, that's a little dicey. I kind of think this one should be loose.
Yeah, might as well safe than sorry.
Yeah.
No need to break plastic.
That's actually fiber.
Oh!
Yeah.
Jeez, that probably weighs a lot then. That's gonna be sturdy though.
Yeah.
But then it goes straight to cracking.
Yeah.
It looks like maybe you could just pull it forward.
Well, the problem there.
Whoa, there it goes.
That's the problem is this
It needs to clear.
Yeah.
Oh, it's got to clear the stud.
The stud, yeah. And I need
The other side?
Yeah, over here done too. This one. Oh.
Oh yeah, she had some torque on her. Huh. It's stuck on. There it goes. Ah, bravo. Nice. Okay.
The sump plug is right there. And I knew, like I said, that these didn't have to come off.
Yeah, that's nice to not have to remove that. So sump plugs up there in the front,
Yeah.
Drain plugs on the front of the motor, and thank God they're not ginormous like the F430.
Ah! Son of a bitch.
Alright, it's a 12 mil hex. Oh yeah.
Okay, cool.
I should have brought you a ratchet.
There we go.
Nice. Good shot.
I got it a little.
Yeah, got a little splash. Not too bad. Okay, the question is, do we choose the right pan?
Is it
I think so.
that much different one he had, or just?
It's draining pretty good.
Really?
Sweet. I like that you're the one wanting to do the work on your car.
Well,
You were gonna do this anyway.
I was gonna do it anyway, but it's like, okay, I'll, like,
Might as well film it.
Let's make a video out of it, yeah. And I've needed to do it, and I've been just lazy about it. I should have done it like when the weather was nice in the spring.
Well, it's not too bad today.
No, yeah, and then it got hot during the summer, and I was like, F that.
Yes.
And so now I'm like, all right, well, the weather's nice again. So, well, if Dan's shooting a video of it, okay, that gives me an impetus to actually get my ass out and take care of it.
Dan, good for your Ferrari's maintenance schedule. By the way, in case you didn't know, yes, this video is sponsored by Recambia America. Go visit recambiaamerica.com, use the code NGS10, you'll get 10% off your entire order. And this oil change kit for the 355 is, I believe, part number 355OCK, so that's oil change kit. Basically, all of the Ferraris, it's just the number of the car plus OCKs. And they have it for, I think, essentially every single Ferrari. Even comes with new plugs. These are better than the factory plugs. Good stuff. Hill Engineering plugs, that's right. Good stuff. I'm trying to get a picture of the oil plug. It's right in this triangle. Do I see it? Good lord. Alright, so it's way up in the triangle, which is fascinating. Alright, that does make it kind of have an awkward angle. Oh, other way.
Wait, really?
Come on, Jeff.
That's gotta stay on there.
Do you need me to hold it while you push? Or I could probably pull.
Okay.
I think if you get it in the right... Or I got a bigger one. Let's get the bigger one.
That's what she said. Or he said.
Yes. When all else fails, use bigger tools. Pull. Not push. There it goes.
Yeah, I don't know
Sweet.
why I'm having so much trouble with direction.
Because it's kind of disorienting.
Yeah, it's gonna be hard for me to get my hand out of the way faster.
Oh. Alright, I'm sitting back. Oh, there goes.
Ah,
Not too bad.
yeah, that initial splash though went up over the
Yeah,
edge.
it's not bad. Yeah, I mean, a little bit. We're gonna pop the engine bay and do the oil. Let me grab this. Sweet. Alright, so the oil filter is down there. Alright, we got a bunch of paper towel in there because it's gonna make a mess. And then we've got the special Hill Engineering socket, which you can buy at recambiaamerica.com. It's not in all the way.
Well, it was, yeah, I angled it and
yeah,
pushed
well,
it right
yeah.
out.
Woo! That's not some Ugga Duggas. You're gonna bust a blood vessel, Jeff. By the way, I just wanted to comment. You have a beautiful engine.
So, thank you.
All of this.
Yeah. Well, again,
This is aftermarket, right?
owe that all to Jay Salmon. Yeah. Because yeah, he put the Group M on. Yeah.
That is gorgeous.
That's the previous owner. He babied the shit out of the engine of this thing. Not bad. All right, sweet.
Yeah,
that was
good.
one of the best. Yeah.
Yeah. Really good. There was like nothing in there. I think it's because it was heated up and sitting for at least a good 5 minutes or 10 minutes. All right, cool. Got the oil filter.
Mom wondered why I lost my, because I was born in Texas, but my mom wondered why I lost my Texas accent. It was because you get shit like that in, like, you know, sixth grade. Yeah, you're like, look at the little hick kid. You're like, yeah.
Speaking of all, spreading a little all over the gasket. What?
That's my phone.
I know.
It's from Archer.
Put it on hand tight and then we'll torque it down. I think it was 25 foot-pounds, or newton meters, 25 newton meters. All right, so it is 18 foot-pounds, 25 newton meters.
18.43.
43. Okay, so we round up to
for all the-
19. With the accuracy of that thing, we're going to get like 24 foot-pounds anyway or something.
For all the pedants.
Yes. Pedants.
Okay, just, yeah, it
that
popped.
was it.
Yeah, that was it. There we go.
Sweet.
Okay.
That's all she wrote. So we got the drain plug with the new crush washer. Actually, it's a new drain plug
And-
entirely. And this also goes to 18 newton meter, or 18 foot-pounds.
No, this one.
Oh.
This one's 38.
Oh, 38.
Yeah.
Okay.
The
never mind.
one, the sump one is
Oh,
18.
so that one's 18. That one's
This one's 38.
38.
I'm just
Okay.
putting them both in to stop the drip.
Yeah, so we're not dripping everywhere. Never mind. Don't listen to me. 38. 18.
I'm sitting here spouting off all these numbers, but even though I've done this tons of times, I went and downloaded Dave Leland's 355 oil change guide, which is fantastic. So just want to give a shout out to Dave for doing great work.
Nice. Where's that?
It's at stickyrx.com.
Oh.
If we want to promote Dave's company, they do sticky part refinishing for
Oh,
all
okay.
the
That's
sticky
cool.
parts inside. Yeah, but he supplies special tools and stuff for 355 work.
Nice.
Like a cam lock guide and things like that.
I thought maybe it was going to be on a certain specific message board.
He does promote on that message board, but since that message board hates us, we're not going to promote them.
Nope. For when you really got a long one. All right, so 18 foot-pounds.
Yeah. There it is.
Jeez. Seems like nothing.
Yeah.
So this one's 38 foot-pounds, the 12 millimeter hex. There it goes.
Yeah. There we go. Okay.
Sweet. By the way, people are gonna complain because you double tapped.
I do it every time and I don't care. I just always check it. I do it on all my lugs and everything.
Yeah.
And yeah, like on my lugs, I do star pattern and then I go circle around them to verify that they're all locked.
Look at you, you're gonna really hate.
I don't give. Actually, I saw a Ferrari tech do that, like in the gumball, or the gumball 3000
That Ferrari text,
years ago.
bad guy. So this is a 10 quart system.
Yeah.
Mobile 1, 0 double 40. So we got about 9 quarts in there, and then we check this while it's running and all that stuff,
Yeah.
right? Nice. Yes. Okay. Again. Once again.
Well, so technically on the 355, you're supposed to bring the oil up to temp, and then kill the engine, and then check it immediately after you've turned it off. But other people have done it with, because it's the same dry sump system that you have, like, you know, later in the 430, in 360, 430. So some other people have actually done it with the engine running, and it's just fine. Like, you end up with the same readings.
Close
as you
enough.
do. Yeah, and in fact, it's probably a little more accurate than, you know, after you shut it off, because it hasn't had a chance to even start settling at all.
Fun trying to wrangle that into place.
Yeah, except keep in mind, this is the easiest it's ever been, because normally I just jack the rear of the car, so I don't have the entire car floating like this.
Oh, yeah.
And keep in mind, like when we're doing stews or we're doing yours, I'm sitting here able to do it one person, one hand.
Yeah. No, the worst is the 360. I would say, yeah, you know, the 458 is up there. It's pretty much a pain in the dick. I don't know. I think maybe the 458 might be more difficult just because it's one piece and it's just massive.
Yeah.
And wobbly. They're all a bunch of pain in the asses, but that's actually kind of reasonable. It's not huge.
Yeah, because that's doing this way is even easier than when I used to do it. Again, thanks to Dave Lelandek, because the back isn't even pinned in. It's just the diffuser is holding the back for me, and I'm just doing the front.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
So you got a little room to move it around if necessary.
Yep.
You done yet?
Almost.
Oh, good. Okay, never mind. Alrighty, so to get the car down, first we lift it up. There we go. Let me pull the bar forward. Just, there you go, and set it down. That's it. Alright, and then push the magic down button. Man, your phone has an uncanny timing. We're gonna fire it up, check the oil. The oil? Ah, yes. He's got the get in method down pretty good.
No, I'm not getting in because I'm
dirty. Yeah, because you're dirty. Yeah.
This is the try to touch like the beige as little as possible because it gets so dirty.
Yep. Ooh, the F1 system coming alive. Ah, yes. Such a good sound. Alright, looks like we gotta add a little bit more. Got about 9.5? Okay. About good?
Yep.
Nice. I hate this part. Alright, well, as you can see, changing the oil on a 355 is actually pretty easy, especially with those quick jacks. So Jeff was saying by having it on the quick jacks and not having it set on regular jacks, he got more access. It was easier to do. In fact, I think he's gonna probably go buy some of those quick jacks now. But only 2 drain plugs, 1 oil filter. Oil filter is on the top, which makes it a lot easier to access than trying to do it from the bottom, and you don't have oil dropping all over you. Although it is a 10 quart system, so be ready to be catching a lot of oil. It doesn't come out quite as fast as the 430, but it did come out pretty fast. So again, yes, this video was sponsored by Ricambia America, so go visit ricambiaamerica.com, use the code NGS10. That's going to get you 10% off your entire order. They have been awesome to work with. They have sponsored a ton of these videos, a ton of these parts. We've done a lot of stuff with them. Amazing company, super awesome people. Daniel Pass is the shit. Yes, Daniel, you were the shit. This is the part no one ever sees.
Yeah.
I got like tons of crap that I have to cut out. So if you took this car to the dealership, I'm gonna guess that's probably about $400, maybe even $500. In total, he spent what? He's got 10 quarts of oil, $100-ish, and the oil change kit is around $50, $60. So in all, way under $200. Probably under $150, saving $300-400. Yeah, that sounds pretty good. And honestly, this was super fast. This took us about an hour and a half. And that's because we were filming. So if we weren't filming, we could have done this easily in 45 minutes or less. Super easy oil change. All right, guys, we got a lot of cool car stuff coming your way. So don't forget, like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Make sure it says all notifications, otherwise you don't get those notifications because YouTube sucks and their algorithm is not tuned to like my channel. It's tuned to like big ass channels. So hit that bell, please do that. We're gonna be doing a lot of car stuff. You guys want to stay tuned. Jeff is awesome.
It's gonna be sweet.
It's gonna be sweet. All right, Jeff is returning back to Jeffland, wherever that may be. Oh yes, we gotta get the F1 pump primed. I just want to hear the gloriousness of the 5-valve, the Cinco Valvole. Nice little pops there.
Jizz in my pants.
Oh my god, that's glorious.